京剧，京剧，京剧。
Beijing Opera.
Beijing Opera.
他对京剧非常感兴趣。他对京剧非常感兴趣。他对京剧非常感兴趣。
He is very interested in Peking opera.
He is very interested in Peking Opera.
没想到你京剧唱得这么好。没想到你京剧唱得这么好。没想到你京剧唱得这么好。
I didn't expect you to sing Peking opera so well.
I didn't expect you to sing Peking Opera so well.
今晚我们去看京剧。今晚我们去看京剧。今晚我们去看京剧。
We're going to see Peking opera tonight.
We're going to see Peking Opera tonight.
演员，演员，演员。
Performer. Actor.
Performer. Actor.
他从小就想成为一名优秀的演员。他从小就想成为一名优秀的演员。他从小就想成为一名优秀的演员。
He has wanted to be an excellent actor since he was a child.
He has wanted to be an excellent actor since he was a child.
一个好的演员能够拉近观众与自己的距离。一个好的演员能够拉近观众与自己的距离。一个好的演员能够拉近观众与自己的距离。
A good actor can bring the audience closer to himself.
A good actor can bring the audience closer to himself.
导演对演员的要求特别高。导演对演员的要求特别高。导演对演员的要求特别高。
Directors have particularly high demands on actors.
Directors have particularly high demands on actors.
观众，观众，观众。
Audience.
Audience.
这场京剧吸引了很多观众。这场京剧吸引了很多观众。这场京剧吸引了很多观众。
This Peking opera attracted many audiences.
This Peking Opera attracted many audiences.
他是一位优秀的演员，深受观众的喜爱。他是一位优秀的演员，深受观众的喜爱。他是一位优秀的演员，深受观众的喜爱。
He is an excellent actor and deeply loved by the audience.
He is an excellent actor and deeply loved by the audience.
观众对这场京剧很满意。观众对这场京剧很满意。观众对这场京剧很满意。
The audience was very satisfied with this Peking opera.
The audience was very satisfied with this Peking Opera.
厚，厚，厚。
Thick.
Thick.
进入冬天后，人们穿着厚厚的大衣。进入冬天后，人们穿着厚厚的大衣。进入冬天后，人们穿着厚厚的大衣。
After entering winter, people wear thick coats.
After entering winter, people wear thick coats.
奶奶对音乐有深厚的感情。奶奶对音乐有深厚的感情。奶奶对音乐有深厚的感情。
Grandma has a deep affection for music.
Grandma has a deep affection for music.
他们之间的友谊很深厚。他们之间的友谊很深厚。他们之间的友谊很深厚。
The friendship between them is deep.
The friendship between them is deep.
演出。演出。演出。
Performance. Show.
Performance. Show.
这次演出吸引了成千上万的观众。这次演出吸引了成千上万的观众。这次演出吸引了成千上万的观众。
The performance attracted thousands of spectators.
The performance attracted thousands of spectators.
我们一边喝茶一边欣赏精彩的演出。我们一边喝茶一边欣赏精彩的演出。我们一边喝茶一边欣赏精彩的演出。
We drank tea while enjoying the wonderful performance.
We drank tea while enjoying the wonderful performance.
这次演出非常成功，观众都很满意。这次演出非常成功，观众都很满意。这次演出非常成功，观众都很满意。
The performance was very successful and the audience was very satisfied.
The performance was very successful and the audience was very satisfied.
大概。大概。大概。
Probably.
Probably.
我想大概2周内就能完成。我想大概2周内就能完成。我想大概2周内就能完成。
I think it will be done in about 2 weeks.
I think it will be done in about 2 weeks.
我想他大概会同意。我想他大概会同意。我想他大概会同意。
I think he would probably agree.
I think he would probably agree.
我在中国生活了大概20年。我在中国生活了大概20年。我在中国生活了大概20年。
I have lived in China for about 20 years.
I have lived in China for about 20 years.
谢谢观看。